I'm a diehard, kasi lists are inherently biased. Depending kasi yan sa preferences ng tinatanong mo.
Yeah. Sir Homer, who makes your Mount Rushmore of all-time PBA greats?
That is hard because I come from a generation where the game was played differently. When I mean played differently, pisikalan talaga. I like it. Ngayon, masyadong papogi. 3-point shot, mayroon pang 4-point shot, di ba? Tapos
Mm.
konting galaw lang, foul na agad. So, I'm a diehard, kasi lists are inherently biased. Depending kasi yan sa preferences ng tinatanong mo. Sa akin, I am a child of the 90s na doon ako, talaga 80s, 90s na doon talaga umangat para sa akin ang PBA. So, Mount Rushmore ko, Ramon Fernandez, that's a given. Then, you have Atoy ko of Crispa. And then, I have another one, pwede din, Bogs Adornado. Ang dami, but those are just, if you just ask me to name 5, it's gonna be Atoy ko, Robert Jaworski, si Ramon Fernandez, Freddy Hobalde, MVP din, and then Bogs
Dami na
Adornado.
niyan.
Oo, 5. So yun lang. Yun ang ano ko.